Hello, welcome to Job Knowledge channel. In this video, I'm going to teach and show you how to stop the WhatsApp application without turning off your mobile data. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe this channel if you haven't already and hit the bell button so you will get notification whenever we posted a new tips video in the future. Without further ado, let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is go to the setting page. Then you need to scroll down to find the application management. Then press the install button on the top of the page to get the list of installed applications on your mobile phone. Scroll down to find the WhatsApp apps. Press the force stop button. So now you won't able to receive any message from your contacts. If someone send you a message, then it will be appear as a one tick message. But you still able to use other application as usual. For example, I will try to open the YouTube application now and show you how it's done. To restart your WhatsApp application and able to receive a message like usual, all you need to do is just press the WhatsApp icon and you will able to receive the messages like usual. I hope these tips will help you a lot and thank you for watching. See you again in my next video.